Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and change your Gmail theme? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you're familiar with and simply search for gmail.com. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the first link that is going to pop up, and on the top right hand of your screen, you're going to see this small little gear icon that is going to be the settings tab on your Gmail. Make sure that you are logged in into your Gmail as well, and simply go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click on this see all settings button, and finally, once you've done that, on this top channel right over here, there's going to be one button that says themes at the end of it. So simply go ahead and tap on themes, and now go ahead and click on set theme. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and select any theme that you would like from here, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and look if I have something that looks good. So for example, this is a photo of Mount Everest, which is located in our country. So simply go ahead and click on save, and there you go. There's your Gmail and your theme is set. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.